Hey guys, today we're ripping the 2019-2020 Panini Mosaic Basketball Hanger Box. You're going to get 20 cards per box, 4 hanger exclusive reactive orange prisms, possibly a rookie variation. We'll see what happens. Hopefully get lucky with something great. Thank you, Curtis, for gifting me this as a Christmas present. Hopefully he brings us some good luck. Let's see what we get out of this. Alright, let's open this bad boy up and see what we get. Alright, there's the pack. Empty box. Alright, here goes Mosaic. Alright, let's do this. Here we go. Alright, first card up. Zach LaVine. Zach Collins. So hard to hold this. There we go. Mason Plumlee. Tyron Prince. Pascal Siakam. DeAndre Ayton. Miles Turner. Danilo Gallinari. What is it? Oh. Did we just get an auto? Oh, we got a rookie scripts. Alright. Brian Bowen. I have no idea who that is, though. Oh. Alright. Well, thank you, Curtis. I mean, while he's not a big name player, I'll definitely take it. Orange. Rookie scripts. Gotta look him up, see how he's doing. Let's throw him in a top loader. Alright. Alright, next up we got Gordon Dragic Green. Fred VanVleet. This is the reactive orange. Derrick Rose. Not a rookie. Carmelo Anthony in the Blazers uni. And Miles Bridges. Alright, that's it. Alright. LeBron James. Jam Masters. Got a Mosaic Jam Masters. Ooh, cool. Jason Richardson. That's pretty cool. Alright. Terrence Davis. Charles Barkley. Rookie. Jackson Hayes. MVPs. James Harden. Alright. Thanks for watching.